You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. Gold is on fire, hitting all-time high and turning heads worldwide. As of today, September 30th, 2025, it's trading at a jaw-dropping $3,862 per ounce. And with Diwali around the corner, it's shining brighter than ever. But why is this happening? From global chaos to the festive fever, let's break down what's driving gold's epic run. As now, gold isn't just sparkling anymore. It's stealing the show entirely. With prices rising up to 11% this September alone, the best month in over a decade. In over 14 years to be accurate. With 43% gains since January, that's $1,000 investment, now worth $1,450. Silver and platinum are rallying too, hitting multi-layer highs. So what's the buy? Report says its central banks, especially China and Russia, are snapping up gold with over 900 tons this year to hedge against the shaky US dollar. Meanwhile, investors, they are pouring their all in gold ETFs, holding up sharply just this week. It's a global vote to gold as the ultimate safe bet. But what's fueling this global gold rush? It's a mix of global drama and some smart money moves straight after today's headlines. First of the reasons is a panic of a possible US government shutdown. Reuters reports funding runs out today, September 30th, with stocks stuck in the United States of America. That's spooking markets, as trader David Mosher told Reuters. Safe haven demand tied to the shutdown threat is pushing gold higher. No wonder prices crossed $3,800 this week. Reason number 2, the US dollar is taking a hit. According to Financial Express, it's 9% down this year, making gold bargain for countries like India and Europe. A weaker dollar always lights fire under gold. Third of the reason is the Fed's playing the ball. With inflation cooling, bets are on for more rate cuts. Reuters says there's an 89% chance of one next month. Lower rates makes bond less appealing, so gold shines brighter. Add to that the global tensions, think Ukraine and the Middle East, and the tight supplies. Mines just can't keep up with this level of demand. As per World Gold Council data, it's a perfect storm for gold's rise. But what does this gold fever mean? With countries like India, China and Russia stockpiling gold to ditch the US dollar, it's also a warning sign. Meanwhile, jewelers are feeling the squeeze with high prices, but miners are cashing in. They are printing money. Now, special note to India as Diwali nears the corner. That's October 21. Gold's at 11,831 rupees per gram in cities like Delhi, up 30% from last Diwali as per Good Returns data. Yet Times of India says the festive buyings for Dhanteras and Navratri are booming, with families splurging to buy those gold jewelry despite the cost. Because gold in India, it's not just wealth, it's not just jewelry, it's tradition, it's culture, it's an integral part of our ethics. This means this demand could push prices even higher. As going ahead, JP Morgan predicts $4,000 of gold if US chaos continues. Long term, some even says $5,000 in a few years as central banks keep buying. Gold's rally in 2025 is a wake-up call, but also an opportunity. As globally, the momentum is real. And with Diwali's glow in India, it's even bigger. Keep watching the Central Post for more.